Housing, buildings or structures where people live. Apartment, a set of rooms for living in that is usually part of a larger building. Landlord, a person who owns and rents out a building or land to others. Tenant, a person who rents a place to live in from someone else. Rent, money paid regularly to live in a place that belongs to someone else. Lease, a legal agreement that allows someone to use a property for a specific period of time in exchange for payment. Neighborhood, a particular area or region where people live together. Suburb, a residential area on the outskirts of a city or large town. Mortgage, a loan to buy a home. Or other real estate where the property itself serves as collateral. Property, something that is owned by a person or entity. Repairs, fixing or restoring something that is broken or damaged. Utilities, services such as water, electricity, or gas provided to homes and buildings. Household, a group of people who live together in the same dwelling. Eviction, the action of expelling someone from a property, typically due to non-payment of rent. Cozy, warm and comfortable in a pleasant and inviting way. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I am looking for housing in a safe neighborhood. 2. She lives in an apartment with her roommate. 3. The landlord fixed the leaky faucet quickly. 4. The tenant pays rent on time every month. 5. Rent is due on the first of each month. 6. They signed a 1-year lease for the apartment. 7. Our new house is located in a quiet neighborhood. 8. They moved to the suburbs for more space. 9. They are applying for a mortgage to buy a house. 10. The property has a big backyard for kids to play. 11. The landlord takes care of repairs in the apartment. 12. Utilities are included in the monthly rent. 13. She manages the household chores every day. 14. The landlord threatened eviction if rent was not paid. 15. Their new apartment is cozy and comfortable.